Hello everyone, welcome to Cody's Tech Support. Glad to have you on the channel. If you're a new member here, consider subscribing. If you are an existing member, I'm glad to have you here as well. Appreciate all your support, all your comments, and everything you do. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Xbox One Twitch broadcast. If this video doesn't help you, be sure to check out my other video and I will leave a link in the description. This is just one option that I would try first. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings. After you go to your settings, go to the general tab, go on over to the online safety and family. From there, go to privacy and online safety, go to Xbox Live privacy, go to custom, then go to view, details, and customize. Then go down to game content, go over to broadcast gameplay, and make sure that is allow and not block. If this does help you guys, drop a like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. If this doesn't help you, go check out my other video with the link in the description. And if only do that if you know your email and password to get back into your Microsoft account. If you do not know that, do not try that other video. I will give you advice. So y'all have a good day or night wherever you live, and I will see you next time. Thank you.